My name is Madison Anderson, and on January 30th, 2022, I opened my first legitimate business. Ever since the pandemic, I have been on a mission of building out my laundry empire. And a month after I graduated college with my marketing degree, I opened up Fresh and Mobile, a laundry delivery company that serviced all of Charlotte, Huntersville, Matthews, Mint Hill, Pineville, Fort Mill, and even Rock Hill. When I started doing my research and seeking guidance on the laundromat industry in the pandemic, I was told that the best way to learn is to either work at a laundromat or start a laundry delivery company and process the laundry at a local laundromat. I had thousands of dollars saved up from tax refunds, financial aid refunds, and money from those lovely stimulus checks we received. And I invested a majority of that money into Fresh and Mobile throughout January 2022. And in April of 2023, I lost several high-paying customers and made numerous mistakes that led me to shutting my company down. And now I currently owe about $21,000 to various credit card companies and loan companies. I looked for a job for about 8 months with no luck, so I decided to go back to square one and asked the owner of the laundromat I ran my company out of if he was hiring. Now I've been working at the laundromat for about a month, making $11 an hour. A few people have questioned my reason of working at the laundromat, and my response is that not only am I working towards paying off my debt as quickly as possible, but I'm here to get hands-on experience of operating a laundromat because I refuse to give up on my mission.